How are you? My name is Eric Medina. This is project 1 for home automation using LDR and photo sensors. So basically we're gonna start with building the project, which consists of a breadboard, an LED, a 1K ohm resistor, an LDR, a 9-volt battery, a battery transmitter, or like just an adapter as well, Uno R3 controller power supply, and then 4 jumper cables. It will be consistent of like different colors. So as you see, we're gonna start with just the basic, most easiest thing is just connecting the battery with the adapter. We'll be use this later. The LDR will be connected with a negative component in any of these letters, which will be over here. We will put it on the negative side with the A part. Next, we're gonna connect the LED, which is gonna consist of the other side on the negative side as well. The shorter side of the LED is gonna be connected to the negative side, and then at the end we're gonna connect the 1K ohm resistor, which is gonna be consist of any of this side just on the positive. So now, to connect our cables, one is gonna be here, right next to the 1K resistor, connected to right next to the LED. The other one is gonna be connected over here, on the same line as the resistor, with the LDR. And now we're gonna use these two for the same ones as well, just on the other side. We could use them on the same side, but one is gonna be on the positive, one is gonna be on the negative. So basically one right here. Could put one right here, and one right here. Now for these two, the positive is gonna be on the 5-volt for the power supply, and the negative is gonna be connected to the ground on the power supply. Now we connect the the battery. Basically, let's check if everything's working. Sorry, we have a little interruption if there was a cut, but basically if you see the LED right here is turning on, so when we put on a flashlight like seen here, the LED is supposed to turn off because the current goes through. Now if we show this now on a perspective of a diagram, basically we're gonna draw it like this. This is our 1K ohm resistor right here. And then we're gonna separate the diode, which is the LED right here, and the LDR that's right here. And now, passing through the LED, the ground is right here, and they all go back to the 5. So this is, or when the light goes in, basically the power goes through here and goes through the resistor, and there was light, so it's gonna go through the resistor. The LDR is gonna measure it, and it's not gonna be no light. Now if there was no light, the LED is gonna pass through the resistor, and the connection will go through over here instead of over here. Thank you very much.